I'm about to expose how much money my YouTube video with 200,000 views has made me and how much you could earn from your own YouTube video views. It's absolutely crazy to me that people don't realize how lucrative creating YouTube videos can be. So I decided to ask some of my students how much money they think a YouTube video with 200,000 views could make. Okay, so how much does a YouTube video with 200,000 views actually make? And we'll dive deep behind the scenes and look at those numbers in a minute. But first, I want to explain how YouTube decides what you get paid on a YouTube video. And first, before you can even start earning money on YouTube, you need to get monetized. Getting monetized means that you are eligible to get paid for your YouTube video views. And how you become eligible is reaching 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, as well as 4,000 public watch time hours. And once you do this, you can apply for what's called the YouTube Partner Program, aka YouTube AdSense. And YouTube AdSense refers to the integration between Google AdSense and YouTube, which allows content creators to earn a percentage of the money spent to run ads on the videos on their channel. So what happens is once you get monetized, YouTube then allows advertisers to place ads on your videos on your channel. And those advertisers pay per CPM, which stands for cost per milli meaning 1,000 views. And the money spent to advertise on the videos on your channel is then split between YouTube and you via the YouTube Partner Program. And on your channel, you see RPM, which means revenue per milli, which is how much you're getting paid. Now, some channels have higher RPMs than other channels, meaning those advertisers are willing to spend more to advertise on those videos versus other channels' videos. It can boil down to that those niches are more competitive to run ads to, meaning lots of people are bidding against each other to place ads on those videos, which drives the prices up. So you might be wondering, which niches get the highest and lowest RPMs? High RPM niches include finance, make money online, tech, entrepreneurship, and health and wellness. And low RPM niches include entertainment, vlogging, gaming, crafting, music, and reaction videos. And it doesn't mean that those niches are less watched than high RPM niches. It just means advertisers aren't willing to spend as much. And again, how you get paid is YouTube bringing in that AdSense money and splitting a portion of it with you. So let's look behind the scenes at some of my different videos inside my YouTube studio and how much money they've earned. Okay, so we are on the back end of my YouTube channel, which is YouTube Studio. And this is a list of all my videos. And we're going to take a look at what some of these have earned and their RPM. So let's go ahead and let's start with a video that got 5,000 views. And let's go ahead and click on the analytics. So this video got 5,000 views, about 67 subscribers, and it made $84. So not a ton of money, but $100 about to get only 5,000 views. Not bad. So let's go into the revenue here and we can see how much advertisers pay, which is they pay like per 1,000 views. CPM, cost per milli, is $38.50, which is really good. And again, I have one of the higher earning niches because I make money online. So again, this one was $84 for about 5,000 views. So let's go ahead. Let's double that. And let's go for 10,000 views. And let's see how much this one made. $92. So that's about the same. So then maybe the CPM is lower and it's lower by about $8. So that's kind of interesting because this video was, the first video was easiest digital side hustle. And then the next video was passive income. So what I'm kind of gaining from that is digital side hustle might actually pay more. And I might want to make more digital side hustle videos, if I'm really trying to optimize for AdSense. Okay, so we looked at 10,000. So let's go up to about 20,000 here. This one's again, easiest digital side hustle. And let's go, this one's $278. That's pretty good. And this CPM is $68. Oh my God, that's so much. Crazy. This kind of makes me want to make more of these kinds of videos. So again, what I'm gathering from this is easiest side hustle is a pretty high paying niche. So that's kind of interesting because like my niche is make money online, but then within that, it's like I have side hustle, passive income, digital products, different niches within the niche, if you will. So that's really interesting. Let's go to a 40,000 viewed video. So this one's 42,000. This is 5 digital products. So let's click on that. Let's go. Oh, wow. $683 and a $69 CPM. That is wild. So we know that one does really well too. So now let's go up to about a 100 views. This is 92,000 views. Let's see what this one earned. $1,180. And this is a $52 CPM, which is wild. So now we're going to go to my second highest viewed and then the one you've all been waiting for, the 200,000 views. So let's go to easiest passive income. This one has 157,000 views and it made $2,700. Wild. So $41 CPM. So let's go back. So that was $2,700 for 157 views. And now let's look at my most viewed video so far to date, over 200,000 views and how much money it's made. This is 203,400 views, 2,700 again. So the same as last video, even though this one has more views. So that's interesting. So let's look, and it's about the same CPM. So here, if we look, this video is only 6 minutes long and the other video is 13 minutes long. And so that can show you too that it's not just about views. It's not just about CPM, RPM. It can also be about video length as well. So as you can see, my niche is a high RPM niche. But let's also talk about some reasons why some of your videos might earn more than others, just like on my channel. Things that could lead to low RPM and low AdSense money could be a video under 8 minutes, which means that you can only run ads at the beginning and the end of the video and not mid-roll ads in the middle of the video. And typically the more ads you can run, the more money you can make. You could also have a low RPM because maybe it's a video targeted to children, and this would lead to making less money due to age and advertisers not being willing to spend as much. You could also get paid less for a video if you're getting a lot of views from different countries. Some countries' viewers tend to have higher RPMs than other countries tending to have lower RPMs. And really that's just all based on what demographics are spending and what advertisers are seeing is getting them the best conversion rate, which is the money they're spending and the money they're getting back from the money they're spending. So now you might be wondering, how can you make more money from your YouTube video views? And one of my favorite tips to get you earning more from your YouTube video views is by adding manual mid-roll ads into your videos. This is where you can go into your video and manually place ad breaks. So for example, sometimes YouTube will automatically place an ad before, middle, and end if it's over 8 minutes, but you can go in and place additional ads whenever you want. I've heard from many creators, and I've experienced this recently myself, that you can go in and place ads every 2 minutes, and I've heard from several creators that this 4x'd their AdSense revenue per month. Now, I just started doing this a few weeks ago, so I don't have the data to share, but I'm telling you, I have heard this from several creators, and I'm super excited by this. However, you do need to weigh earning more money and not annoying your viewers with too many ads to, of course, lower your retention to the point where YouTube won't let your videos take off and go viral as much as maybe they could have. So something to ponder on. Okay, so here's how to manually place ads on your videos. So you're going to go to content once you're in your YouTube studio, and then I'm going to search by views to find the video that I want to show you how to do this on. Find the video you want to do this to and click on details. And then you're going to click on monetization. And then you're going to click on review placement. And this has to be a video over 8 minutes long in order to place these mid-roll ads. So as you can see, YouTube automatically put one ad break at 1 minute and 34 seconds. So what you can do is you can remove that and you can place these manually. So what you can do is I like to do these every 2 minutes. So I'm going to go to around 2 minutes. And what I like to do is listen to when there is something interesting coming up that will keep the viewer watching. So let's say I say digital product 1 is, and then I'll put the ad break there. That way I know they'll want to watch the ad break to come and watch the rest of the video. I'm not going to show you that because of the audio and all that, but that's just sort of like how I do it. And then what I do is, so I'll go around 2 minutes and then I'll click add an ad break and it will place it. Then I'll go around 4 minutes. There we go. And click ad break. Then I'll go around 6 minutes, ad break, 8 minutes, 10 minutes, 12 minutes, 14 minutes. Now, again, you don't have to put ad breaks every 2 minutes. This is just what I've heard from a lot of creators over the last month that has helped them to 4x their AdSense revenue. So I thought I would share this with you too. And if you're wanting to create YouTube videos or improve the YouTube videos you're creating, then I would highly recommend downloading my totally free YouTube script template. This is the template I use to script all of my YouTube videos, and it has really exponentially helped me to grow my views. So you can download my YouTube script template completely for free in the link in the description below this video. And for those of you looking to get started on YouTube, I also have a YouTube beginner course that's under $50, and you can check that out in the link in the description below this video as well. I've shared with you everything I know about how much my 200,000 viewed video made from YouTube and tips for you to earn more money from your YouTube video views. So now all that's left is for you to take action. Remember, if you're monetized, try for longer than 8-minute videos so that you can add more ad breaks to increase your revenue. You can also, of course, try for more views. More views typically means more money. You can also try for longer watch times. The longer people are watching, the more ad breaks they'll experience, and the more money you should be getting from YouTube AdSense. And of course, last but not least, you can go in and manually place ad breaks, and some creators have seen up to 4 times more AdSense money per month by doing this trick. It is absolutely wild the difference it can make when you optimize your channel to earn more from YouTube AdSense. And remember, YouTube wants you to do this because the more ads you run, the more money you make, which means the more money they make because you are splitting the profits. So get your bag, sis. Now that you know how much money my video on YouTube with over 200,000 views has made, you might be wanting to learn my exact strategy for how I got monetized on YouTube, but how do you do that? Well, it all starts with watching this video next here, because when you pair what you just learned with what's in this video, it's going to be so much more powerful. See you in the next video.